Hi everyone, I'm Eileen and today I'm going to show you how I doctored up this butter recipe cake and also how I make my chocolate buttercream frosting. In a bowl you're going to add your butter recipe cake and then also your Jello instant pudding, and it's going to be the vanilla flavored. Adding instant pudding to your cake batter will make it very moist and enhance the flavor. You're also going to add 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1 stick of butter softened. I let mine sit out for about 2 hours before I started on this cake. You may need about half a cup more of milk, but I like to go ahead and just start mixing it up first completely just to see if I will need that half a cup. And yes, you guessed it, I did end up adding an additional half cup of milk because it was a little too thick for my liking. Continue mixing until everything is well combined. Then you'll go ahead and line your cupcake pan and fill with this butter cake batter. It is absolutely delicious. Make sure you go ahead and push down on these cupcake liners because I was able to add more batter to them. If you're new, I just want to go ahead and welcome you and thank you for watching this video. Also, consider subscribing if you like quick and easy recipes because that's what I do in my channel. You will never find anything that's too time consuming or just too complicated to do. I baked for about 20 to 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on your oven since all ovens are different. Now we'll start on this delicious chocolate buttercream frosting. You'll need 2 sticks of butter, Hershey's unsweetened chocolate, heavy cream, vanilla extract, salt, and powdered sugar. Start off by cutting your butter into small pieces and putting it in a bowl. Mixing well until almost a white-like consistency before you go ahead and start adding your powdered sugar. You'll start adding your powdered sugar a little at a time as you go mixing it. When it starts to get difficult or too thick for you to go ahead and continue mixing, you can go ahead and add your liquids, which would be about 4 tablespoons of your heavy cream and some of the vanilla extract. That way it just makes the process easier for you to continue mixing it. I went ahead and added a little bit of the heavy cream and I continued to mix because now I'm gonna go ahead and put the cocoa powder in there. So I knew that I would need some more of that liquid to continue mixing. Added the vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, and continued to mix. All the ingredients and their measurements will be listed in the description below. Make sure that you're scraping your bowl also to remove any of the excess from it, because at this point you're almost done and you want to make sure that everything is well combined. And I went ahead and added the rest of the heavy cream to this mixture and continued to mix it. In total, I ended up using 4 tablespoons of the heavy cream, but if you like yours a little more chocolatey, you could add less. If you want yours less chocolatey, then you could add a little bit more. So this chocolate buttercream frosting stores very well. I actually made it ahead of time because I needed it for the following day. All I did was place it in the Ziploc bag once I was done and just kind of removed most of the air from it, refrigerated it, and then the next day put it back in the bowl. Added 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and went ahead and mixed it up for a couple of more minutes. And then I started to pipe it onto my cupcakes. And the Hershey chocolate buttercream frosting was absolutely delicious. They may not look as pretty as I wanted them to, but oh my gosh, the kids loved these cupcakes. So yummy. Not sure if I had mentioned it before, but these I took to a small birthday party. I ended up having to change the bag out because the other one had a hole in it, and I just continued to go ahead and pipe the chocolate onto the cupcakes. I guess I should go ahead and invest into some piping bags. What's sad about this whole thing is that my mom actually makes cakes for weddings and for sweet 16s and for parties and decorates them beautifully. And I did not come out like her at all in this department. I will put up some pictures of my mom's cakes at the end of this video so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know by commenting, liking, and subscribing. Don't forget, my videos go up on Mondays and Thursdays.